This is the sleep deprived mom. Actually, technically I'm not a mom yet. My baby hasn't come out, but I finished filming and then I took a nap and then I didn't work on my graduation dress. So I literally have like a few hours to whip something together because I wanted to whip something together for my graduation at my academy, and I'm giving a speech and I want to look awesome. So I'm going to be doing that. I think I will use a quick little pattern, copy the pattern, cut it out, and go from there. Yes, I will. Yeah. My fabrics of choice is this nice kind of chantilly lace, if that's what it's called. I don't know. I don't know, but I like this one. And then I'm going to use the rest of this cotton jersey as my underlayer. Hopefully this is not too thin, so then you don't see panty lines. Let's go ahead and get started. Pattern. So it's been like an hour and 20 minutes. I have the top constructed right here, and if I want to add some embellishments I can still do that. I'm about to start the skirt part, and then just gotta attach it, add a little bit of flare, and then I think we're good. Working on like the ruffle in the front. I have straps for the waistband and I'm wearing it, so I'm technically done. It's kind of boring at the moment, but you can see I'm super pregnant. So what we're going to do is add some sleeves with elastic, come across the front and go down, and then tie off, and that's it. It kind of seems more like a maternity dress. I know it's like a wedding dress, but I think it looks really sweet, and you know, sometimes white dresses just look like this. What else can you say? I don't know. So I believe I started this project like 3 hours ago and it's completely done. I'm really happy how it turned out. So I'm excited to showcase this. I finished my graduation dress. I used some scrap fabrics at the top. Yeah, I definitely don't have any more of this white material, so it's all into the dress. I think it turned out really nice. Ta-da! The bottom has the little purse.